Hello, hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. So let's get started. So, quite a while ago, when I was looking around on the internet, I saw this pin or brooch, whatever you want to call it, with these white flowers, the iridescent white flowers, and gold stems, and I just thought it was so pretty. It was sitting on a black velvet bag or just a piece of black velvet, I'm not really sure. But of course, I lost the screenshot, so I can't show you. But I have these flowers, and I didn't quite have enough white flowers. I had some clear ones. You see, this little guy is clear. So I took a little bit of sticky tack and I put it on. That's just an eyelash glue applicator. I got quite a few of them for like glue and stuff. But at any rate, I put a little bit of sticky tack on there and then just put that flower right on there upside down so that I could paint just some white gel polish. And this would work with any color that you want. And then I stuck it in the lamp for the 30 seconds that it needed to be. And just popped that right off of there. And it worked like a charm. Worked perfectly. And I didn't need the little hole, so I just left it, you know. As far as I'm concerned, yeah, cover up the hole. Who cares? So I am putting some base coat on all of the nails. And we're going to go ahead and put them all, Where am I putting them all? I am going to paint them all with black velvet, perfect match black velvet from the Shat. And this black does require 2 coats. There we go. We have our 2 coats. Isn't that party? That one's not 2 coated. Okay, we're throwing the second coat on now. Try and remember what I was doing. Who knows? There you go. And then we are going to, oh, my bottle is so dirty. I guess I gotta wipe that down with acetone or something. But we're going to use the Ugly Duckling Perfect Match. A perfect match. Jeez. Maybe I should start over. I don't know what I'm talking about. The matte velvet top coat from Ugly Duckling. And unfortunately, it does have a sticky layer, so we're just cleaning that off. Don't you just love black, matte black nails? They're just so beautiful. Ugh. So I had like a really yellow gold there and a really like almost platinum golds, kind of weird looking gold. So I mixed the two together to get the gold color that I wanted, right? So I'm taking just any old detail brush and I'm making them like cherry tree branches. So squiggly, a little bit squiggly, and we are just going across all 5 nails, just like it's one big long branch. And I'm taking a little bit of gel glue and we're putting flowers on there. We're going to put some crystals on there. We're going to put some AB pearls on there. They're actually little metal pieces that are just white and have the pearl effect, a lot like the flowers here. And some of the flowers we're going to put some pearls in. Some we're going to put some caviar beads. It just and some we're going to put some of the crystals in, and we're just going to everywhere that a branch comes out, we're just going to add just a little bit of glue And we're going to throw those flowers on there. I think we need a little bit more glue there. Okay, and then the crystals, and then we have these little pearls. Well, they're not pearls, they're just metallic studs actually that are painted white and have the pearlescent over top of them. So they look like half pearls. So let's see. This one we are given a little half pearl to the center of that flower. We're just going to keep going until they're all filled in. We're going to go ahead and cure those. Now I am taking the Ugly Duckling top coat and just filling in around the edges wherever any of that shiny gem glue is showing. I am covering that up with the matte top coat. And while I was doing that, I noticed that some of the bigger flowers especially have a little bit of edge sticking out over the curvature of the nail. And so I took a little bit of polygel and kind of stuffed it in there and smoothed it out. And now I'm taking the cleanup brush and just trying to make it nice and smooth and really nice so that when she is wearing these nails, she's not catching the flowers in her hair all the time, which, let's be honest, that would really suck. She would probably end up popping off all the flowers, or, it just isn't fun. So once I am all done with that, no, never mind. I am still cleaning up all of the madness. Some of the nails I just totally went ahead. I went ahead and just totally matted them up all again because I didn't want any extra ridges, like, oh, I put 2 coats on this part and not on this. So I have these spinners, and I thought it would be fun to use them because I haven't used them before, and I know that she would probably enjoy a little fidgeting. So I took one of the larger flowers, and I'm putting a little bit of that gem glue on the back there, and I'm going to put the spinner right on top of it. And I've got it on this little thing that I can just put right into the lamp. I don't have to worry about it moving because I want to be really careful not to get any gel into the spinner mechanism. So, and here we are on the thumb. Got a little bit of glue there, and look at there. It's perfect. I love it. Now we're going to bling it up. So in the center here, we need to put, I think I am going to go with a gem and then completely cover the gem. Oh, excuse me. My goodness. Put a little gem in there. Oh no, did I just put 3 gems in this one? I don't know. I just did a bunch of different stuff. Let's just say that. We're just going to fill up the center there, cover up that hole, and make it look pretty at the same time. I think that looks cute. And then I am putting on another flower. We're going to go ahead and put some gems and caviar beads around. No, gems and pearls. I lied. Gems and pearls. All the way around the face. So you don't really see that kind of blah spinner. All the while being extremely careful not to get the gel on the spinner at all, because I want that sucker to still spin wonderfully and perfectly when everything is said and done. So now everything is done, and I am just going back with some clear high gloss top coat on the branches so that the gold really shines. Now I thought that these were a little bit plain. Yeah, and I think I might have got a little bit of glue or something near that one, but She liked it when she got them. I thought these were a little bit plain, so I talked to the gal that I was giving them to, and she agreed. So I went all out and we blinged them up. What do you guys think? Have you ever done anything like this before? Do you like this set? Let me know down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already and you want to see more of me, please subscribe and hit the little bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you again next time. Bye!